The Bible is a spiritual book, and it has spiritual teachings that are practical. I want to make an example. Khona ngizo susa inkungu abantu mabaphaphame ke manje. And I want to share this. People who are doing witchcraft, people abayenza izinto zobumnyama, bayalazi iBhayibheli and bayalisebenzisa iBhayibheli. It's just that wena awazi. I'm going to use one of the stories that we have, Esaka Lazarus, where Jesus raises Lazarus from the dead. That is a practical teaching and also a spiritual teaching. Why ngisho kanjalo? Jesus went to Lazarus's tomb. Wafika laphaya, wakhuleka. Maqeda ukukhuleka, wamemeza. But the people that were around, oh Martha, they were saying, hey, Lazarus has been buried for 4 days now, and there's a stench kule ngcwaba lakhe. And then Jesus was like, remove ilitshe, susani lelo litshe lele nilibeke lapho. Ithema baqeda ukususa ilitshe, wathandaza, wamemeza. Ithema kamemeza, azange aphuma. A lot of believers, people say they believe in Jesus. They do not go to graves. They do not go and bayomemeza laphaya, bayomemeza. But guess what? People who are doing witchcraft, they are busy emangcwabeni emini. They are busy emangcwabeni ebusuku, but busy namathuna abantu. Because of what Jesus taught was very much what? Powerful. So kubalekile wena usaphila physical ukuthi umamukele uJesu. So whoever ufika engcwabeni lakho ethi uyakumemeza ahlangabezwe uJesu kuqala. Sidlule lapho. Ngifuna ukukhuza laba abathanda ukuya emangcwabeni bathi bayovakashela abantu babo abashonile. It's okay to go and clean. But stop recording yourself when you're going emangcwabeni, because of into eseyenzakalayo emangcwabeni ey'khathini zamanje. They can trap you. They can trap you ngalelo ngcwaba lelo. Noma ungathi hey ingcwaba la kamamami ngiyoklina ngiyokhuluma ngiyoyenzani. They will trap you ngalelo ngcwaba lelo. Uzothi mawusuka lapha emangcwabeni ubulandelwa omunye nje umoya ongawu-understand. Omunye nje umoya ozokuxaka. And uma ungaqinanga ngokukamoya and your faith is little, you will be in serious what? Trouble. So abantu mabaphaphame, abantu mabavuleka amehlo. Get that Bible. Read that Bible, because of people abasebenzela ubumnyama bayawazi wonke ama-miracles kaJesus, and leyo kuya emangcwabeni bayisebenzisa. Njengoba kunabantu who are spiritually trafficked, uthola ukuthi kunomuntu othwebuliwe, uyabona ukuthi bayazi ukuthi ningamngcwaba namhlanje, but they can even go after 4 days bahambe bayohlokoloza engcwabeni. Ikhethe inkosi isakhetheka. Lunga wena uthanda ukuya emangcwabeni uloko lubhizi uvideorize uye emangcwabeni. They will trap you. Uzoba ngathi uqalekisiwe.